is up, guys? Richard Quickle here, back with another episode. Today we're on MalibuAutoBahn. As you can see, the turnout looks absolutely fantastic. It's way better than I anticipated, because last time the turnout was really good. It was pretty good, but it wasn't as amazing as this. Like, let's just look at the lineup right now. We have Huracan here, we have an Aston Martin Vanquish, we have a DB11, we have another DB11, and then we have the Vantage. Oh yeah, dude, this thing is fire. Like I said, we're here at MalibuAutoBahn with my bro Jake, running this whole shit.
What's up?
Oh yeah, we have the key to the DB11. Which one is this one? Is it the green one? Yes, it's the green one. So we're having the first look, and so not really the first look, but a pretty close look at the DB11. So I don't know if you guys can see that, it kind of goes, when you open it, it kind of goes upward a little bit. That, trying not to scratch the other car. Oh yes, this thing looks amazing. It's so awesome. Like, Jake, he's gonna be able to drive this today on MalibuAutoBahn. So huge thanks to Galpin for lending my boy Jake a car, dude. He's probably so happy right now being able to check this out. That's not me, is it? The Aston Martin key seems like whatever. It's like kind of cheapy.
It looks like a valet key to me.
This probably is the valet key.
Yeah.
I don't know. It doesn't seem that. I mean, if it was the real key, then my bad, asking. So Jake is gonna rev it for a little bit. So make sure you follow them on MalibuAutoBahn. Oh yes. That sounds dope. Yeah, we have a few McLarens here too. We have a few 570Ss, 12C, another 572, more 570Ss. Oh my god, I love that thing. It looks incredible. All right, since we checked out everything over there, let's check out the lineup the area where I parked over here, because we checked out everything already. Over here, we got just more kind of like the regular stuff. Nothing too crazy. There's a Performante and another Huracan, I think, and we have a few M6s. I think they were here. I think these were at, this one was at Beamer Fest the other day. That was such an incredible event. What else? We have C63, Huracan, a Performante, we have a GTR, we have a Corvette, but we do have the new GT3 here. Oh, in satin black. Boom. This one looks crazy. Is it a manual? Is it a manual? No, it's not. Damn it. It looks so dope in this satin black though, and you can tell it was wrapped because there's a little incisions right here, but they still did a pretty good job, I'd have to say. And I just got a shit ton of sand in my shoe. I think they're about to make their announcement that they're gonna head out. This is gonna be a great event. Got our Routa, and then we're gonna check out everyone. Oh yes, they're gonna rev this thing. Yeah. Hey, what is up, guys? I'm here with my boy Harlan. Harlan's in the passenger seat, so you can't really see him because there you go. That's his hands. We're currently on MalibuAutoBahn. I apologize. I didn't kind of like intro what we were doing today, like that we were going to go on like a supercar run pretty much. Right now we have the AMG GT in front of me. Like, this thing sounds super incredible. Oh my god. And then we have a Jag F-Type, the 6-cylinder one behind me. Jake is leading in the DB11, the green one, and then everyone else is just pretty much behind us. So I can't really honestly say like what's going on in the back. I'm pretty sure there's a few people that got left behind, which sucks. But yeah, this is the second time we're doing this. It's super duper fun. Oh my god. So yeah. Anyways, enjoy. I want to go in.
Lambo.
Oh my god, that sounds so good. Damn, that's a lineup. This guy has a cop radar. Oh yes. My car needs to be louder, as loud as that GT. Oh, that's it's just a girl driver, man. Oh, that's sketch right there. That's sketchy. No, it's not him. Oh, this dirt flying shit. That Civic is feeling the pressure though. And then he's like, no, come on, Toyota Sienna. Come on, Sienna. With the Lambo to catch up, but
It's gonna be wild.
oh, he swung it a little bit.
Ooh, slide it. don't be in the front or don't be in the back, so this is pretty much good. I've never actually been on this road before.
This is awesome.
It is. You're probably mobbing through here.
No, we were. Oh, wow, nice. Oh, what the hell? This tire is kind of fucked up. Stopped, I think. Next 9 miles. That's awesome. Holding me a little bit too tight.
Get some harnesses in this thing.
I need it for sure then.
Yeah. Ooh, sob.
Soft, dude. Soft.
This isn't a road you can really slide. He was also going over double yellows, and that's just sketchy.
That's good.
Oh,
awesome. This is where me and Cody took the picture of the Zagato.
oh, nice.
We were falling behind it.
You stopped.
How's the camera? Camera doing okay?
Yeah.
But is it even recording stuff?
Yeah. You're almost out of battery though.
That's okay. I have more. Backfiring like crazy.
It is.
Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Came to a crazy end. There was a few cops and we got kind of worried, but fortunately didn't chase after us too bad. There are cops waiting down there, so when we exit this area, we're just gonna leave quietly. Everyone's like catching up now. This only looks like 1/3 of the group that was originally on the run. Like there's not a lot of people that kind of like followed along. There's a Performante over there, and then you have Tezilla along with the AMG. I think the AMG GT is like all the way at the front over there too. They blasted off like way before everybody else, and they were ahead of everybody. But yeah, the BMWs caught up too. Some of the AMGs caught up that were behind us. They're all catching up now, and security is telling us to leave. I mean, of course, they're telling us to leave, have to. Look at this thing. I love this car so much, the way it drives and everything, but definitely need new tires soon because there's not much tread on them left. Okay, yeah, today, oh my God, I told so much fun driving those canyon roads. Unlike last time though, last time there was like nobody on the street, so we didn't have to wait around, like we didn't have to wait behind anybody, so we were like hauling ass like a lot harder, I think. This time there was a lot of people, a lot of like normal cars like on the road in the way, but it's all good, you know, stuff like that's expected. But anyways guys, I'm gonna cut it short right here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.